This Carta set is called Perfectly Perfect or Practically Perfect. And there are so many beautiful papers, and there's a sticker sheet in here, but you can see it would be perfect for spring outside, a tea party, maybe a trip to the amusement park. Here are the sticker sheets. There are two borders over here on the left, and then Daydreamer, Practically Perfect, Cheery Disposition, Dare to Lose Yourself. But you can see lots of great stickers to use. These are pretty thick stickers. And then let's go through the papers. These are beautiful papers. Here is a plaid. This is a cutout sheet. You can use these for collage. You can use them for scrapbook pages, card making. Here is a blue and white stripe that reminds me of an awning. And then there are some flowers and birds. More flowers. We have roses and little daisies. There's a map of the city park. So cool. This one is polka dots. Books. Books are so popular right now. This one is another park map. This one is Hyde Park in London. The London Examiner. Roses. There's another cutout sheet. Family fun time. Have courage and always be kind. That would be so cool on the front of a card. Those are wonderful. Here is a really pretty pink print. And on the back there are butterflies. But all of these prints are so pretty. And the paper is very nice weight, and it has a little bit of a texture to it. It's gorgeous paper. We have birds and nests. We have some song sheets. There's a little girl with an umbrella, and then a weather vane. Kites. Awesome. So cool. I was looking for kite paper not too long ago. Some little flowers. Here it looks like the inside of a book, so this would be perfect for books and reading. Teapots, spoons, teacups. Beautiful borders. Great for all your scrapbooking, card making. It could be your journal book, a junk journal. There's hydrangeas, and then another pretty stripe. But I love how everything is color coordinated, so you can make great projects and everything matches.